Hey guys, there, Kunal here, Bulls on Wall Street. Let's take a look today. So, a big breakout today in the markets. There were breakouts everywhere. Market breadth, fantastic. For weeks, right? We've been chilling here in a consolidation zone, um, which essentially kind of was giving us an inkling, right, that the market's waiting for some news or some type of catalyst. And it looks like, probably, today was that catalyst, right, with the, Draghi money printing. I don't really know the details of how it went, but more importantly, the market reacted in a positive manner as we gapped up, shot up, and then closed at highs, right? So there's buying all the way into the end. We've seen this type of action before when we've gotten this, right? That POMO type of move where the market just starts inching up every day. I'm getting the feeling maybe we're starting to enter that type of phase where we get kind of that grind out market where we just go a little bit higher every day as people start chasing the market. We won't know for sure, but the next couple days will give us an inkling of really what we're walking into. So far, though, right, the market's broken out the 52-week highs. We had breadth. There were breakouts everywhere. So overall, the price pattern is very positive, and we have to respect that. And so we'll see what's happening later in the week. But right now we're in a breakout zone in the market, and we've kind of felt that way for a week or two, because even as the market was pulling back and consolidating, there were stocks that were really breaking out all over the place, and so that kind of gave us some clues that maybe that this market was ready to do something big. Tomorrow, let's keep an eye on C-Trip here. We're flagging here. It looks like this one's probably going to push real soon. MPEL. MPEL made a pocket pivot today. I think that this one definitely has a chance to come out of range. I like this one a lot. This has been an easy trader. It's got volume. It's liquid. It's got enough volatility to make good moves. Keep an eye on this one. If we start to see metals go, look at URG, right? This one's getting very close to a very big range break. And so if we can come out of this range, this one could really get some juice. We saw this with UEC, right when UEC kind of moved out of range and then flagged the move. Very powerful moves when they can finally go down. Who knows? If this one breaks, we could see a run very close to the 200-day moving average. SGI, coiling up right under the 200. We've got an MA squeeze here where it's riding up the 20-day moving average, riding up to 20 and under the 200. Look for a pop over. NEWP, right? Just a simple range break. $13 is the sweet spot. Take two, flagging here. Last time it was flagging. It kind of came back and tested a 20-day moving average and held. We'll see if it can come out of range today. The volume was pretty good. Tomorrow will tell us the clue. ES. I love this one. This one just needs some volume. It's been really light the last few days. I tried buying this a little bit early a couple days ago and took a loss. But this one, when it goes, right, it can go. So I think that this one's gearing up for a run. It just needs a break. Yeah, TVL, man, it looks okay, right? We've just got a range break right here. That 430-ish area. SVU. A lot of these small retailers are going. This one does have a bankruptcy concern in it. Probably most likely at some point it will. But if we can get over this 250 range, this one could go. Look at Bont and ZLC and some of these retailers. When they go, they really go. I'm not saying that this one's going to be 10 bucks, as most likely it goes under, but there should be a good push into it. ENVI. I believe this one might have earnings today, so we'll have to see how it plays out tomorrow. But I love the chart, and if the earnings are good, right, and you start seeing this thing break $3, you're really going to see some action going. And then GPRE, another moving average squeeze, right? 50 on top, 20 under. Look for the pop over. And then CEL. I've been watching this one for days. We're just riding up that 20-day moving average, but we're starting to test some range. And if we can come out of it, I think that this one has a real strong look to make a move. So this will be, on watch for tomorrow. So that's it for now, guys. Besides that, we'll be playing earnings and gappers and the rest. So I will see you tomorrow.